Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, yo. You all know it's franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. And you know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing. You know it go already, you know. When we aim up, load up, crank up and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know a loud explosion boy. What? The most electrifying man in a YouTube entertainment business. What? So you know me I say no, man. Right about now, you know, I see some girl, you know, where they show off, you know, and they try to burn out mackerel, you know, including Jenny, you know. I want to know how I like mackerel now, because she rise from nothing, you know, to everything right now, you know. Because I see Goody come out and do over Canada, you know, broke cock and I set it back, you know. You know what I mean? Something where Sensor couldn't highlight, you know. You see what I say? And on a lollipop thing. So I want to know how I like Goody now, because I see Goody come out and all these things and I burn up the place. You see what I say? Excuse me, enough I need to get bright and not disrespect the local girl. You know what I mean? After I sit down on the raw sound and I do nothing. And the girl I try her thing. And you know her thing shot. You know what I mean? Her thing shell wet. Hotter than where hell there. Because Canada Goody there are going wicked. You see what I deal with? And I hear Goody new song, I hear piece of Goody new song, and I want to tell you something. Anytime that song they drop a road, Goody gone. Goody gone clear. Anytime that song they drop a road, Goody gone around 10 lengths clear. That I tell you now. Because on the lollipop thing. So let me tell you something. Oh God bless, no man curse. You hear me? I mean, you know, wash out on a dirty mouth, you know, wash it out for yourself first. You see what I deal with? You know, wash out on a mouth for underprivileged, bumbucklad people. That no for no love though, including Jenny. Because she never either got disrespect nobody where you see face there in a position. Why you not try to take on a thing like Aishana and Spice? Look how much wicked song them girl that come out with and go on wicked and you never say nothing about it. When Aishana say equal rights, you know, I never hear you defend the man them, you know. We never hear you defend the man them, but Mackerel say take girl man and she's a whore. So when the church, when I ask you already, you know, when the pastor and the deacon them and fuck off the church sister them, you know. What you call that Jenny? Because I don't hear you have no argument for that, you know. I say, what you call that? So Uncle Mackerel alone don't have strength for, because she's a local 18-year-old girl, right? Yeah, and two she rise from nothing, right? You have all the strength for her, don't it? Yeah, man. But you don't have no strength for them girl that I talk about, right? You don't have no strength for them girl, right? But you don't have all the strength for Mackerel. Fuck her, you know. Let me see how you like the girl now. You see what I deal with? Go on Goody and all these bumbuckler things. You think me not a laughing thing with you know? I saw no go around, you know, and be nickel people, you know, want to think underprivileged, you know, or people want to think when they're up there, you know, or people want to feel like no fit, you know, on a category, you know. But the girl, but cause she go around and mash up people household. You ever hear nobody come out and say Goody mash up them household yet? Who you hear come out and complain? You know, I go like on a sophisticated and bumbucklad educated. You know what I mean? Well, you know, look out. You know how much thing I go on in the system when nobody not look out pan. All know me not hear you no come out pan the talk show and talk about the little girl them who are missing. Me not hear the government say I put up no stoppage street, nor I try to investigate, nor them not go look into the manner seriously or take it up in hand. Me not hear nobody I say them shit shit there. But the little girl them missing, and when you do find them, you find them dead and them throat slit, and nobody now come out and say nothing. Me notice, you know, I hunger the bloggers them alone, you know, from bumbuckle at the internet, you know, I push out them thing there. You don't have no government person will come out and say that. Before them come out and say that, them say them a go target ghetto people. The one them who look shabby and not have no good clothes wear. The one them who wear them pants or them body. Let me tell you something. In America, right, I say every bumbuckle. Watch! Shaboski! Me say, in a bumbuckle, America, right, I say, every Yankee youth you see him having bumbuckle pants underneath him body. And me not see no police or all them bumbuckle pull him. Because first thing right, I say, a police have a fucking, him have to see you with something, or him have to suspect you as something for even get a search from you. You hear that? And a bumbuckle lollipop thing, him can't just jump out of his vehicle and come search you like that. You know what I mean? Because you have the right to ask him what the fuck you do if he man come search you. You know what I mean? And when I say that, I go around the corner and talk. I mean it exactly like that. I ask him, yo, officer, what the fuck me do? Why you come out and search me? What the fuck have I done wrong? You know what I mean? You can't say that to no cop in Jamaica. You will lose your teeth them. Him come out and vehicle and use him gun and lick out the whole of your blood clot teeth them. And you don't get no bumbuckle defense, nobody defend you for that. Furthermore, you never have no bumbuckle right. Because from you as a ghetto youth, you don't know you fall underneath the bumbuckle, them foot bottom, for them trample you. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something, man. You know for go away. That me I tell the whole of bumbuckle, you know go. Goody come out and all these things. You know what I mean? And shell down the whole of blood clot Canada. And when next Goody? America? England? Bumbuckle. I say I feel bumbuckle nice, does you see? The look of bumbuckle girl where everybody that takes set pan and I jump and I wash out them look a dirty mouth pan. And when I look, I see Goody in a bumbuckle Canada, shell it way hotter than where bumbuckle hell. You know what I mean? And most of you who are bumbuckle chat up on the mouth, you still there and each up in our house with one bumbuckle pan load of dirty clothes in there and it's not gonna work. But you know they on the internet I chat up on the mouth every day. Respect my brother. So Goody come out and all these things on the place shell away. I love it. I love it gone to bed. I'm sorry I never America here they Goody. You know what I mean? Because anyway you perform in America, mother have to come link you and push either $500 in your bumbuckle pocket. Because you know the 10-star one, I know no lollipop thing. You know me a real born bumbuckle ghetto youth. And I can advise them. And I can rascal feel them pain and them pressure. But here we go on Goody. You can be the face of all bumbuckle youth when I get no love from them parents. And you can be the face of the ghetto youth, the ghetto girl them who rise from nothing to something. So you hear me? It's a brilliant look. It's not even a one-way street and it's not a roller coaster ride. And let me tell you something. We not take set from bumbuckle at weak fence. You hear that? Jenny and all of uno look at either girl where it feel like so no could have violate Goody. And when Goody bumbuckle come out and all these things, I say she burn up the whole of Canada. Me never know say Goody athletic like that. Because the amount of flick and summer sauce and pooper lick, I see Goody a blood clot go on with like say she used to go to gymnastics school. And I look a man have Goody a swing her all over the blood clot place like a yo-yo. Goody, don't stop swing. You hear me? Don't stop swing Goody upon the people man. You hear that? Don't stop swing upon people man Goody. You know what I mean? Make it carry go a bumbuckle at Paris. Or the general, the 10-star one I represent. I don't know when time I represent, I don't know a full effect thing. You know what go already, you know. So me not laugh with it, you know, when me sound the big thing, them you know it going, you know, a loud bomb buckler explosion thing, you know. What? 10 star way. What?